Hi friends, it's Jenny and I'm here to bring you our 2022 Project of the Quarter in the Remodel division. It has been a minute since we've been able to do a remodeling Project of the Quarter, so I'm really excited to get it started with this project. We're in Highland Park, which is on the north shore of the Chicago suburbs, and this house was built in 1995. It has very prototypical postmodern architecture. That does not always translate to how we live in 2022, but this house had great bones. We just had to unlock its potential. So in this remodel, we addressed the needs in the kitchen, created a pantry, added a decorative wall in the dining room, refaced the fireplace, and completely redid the master bath. So let's get started in the kitchen. You can see what we did. So there's a lot to unpack here in the kitchen. Let's start with how we changed the layout. Here at the island, the original island used to be shaped sort of like a spaceship, with the cooktop right in the island. It was a little funky, so we've given them now just one big island that they can sit at and move the cooking to the back wall. There also used to be a peninsula dividing the kitchen and the family room. We removed that completely to open up the space. Now let's talk about the finishes. When we originally started talking about the kitchen, I think the homeowners were considering a white kitchen, but after a few iterations, this is where we landed. We have black slab doors on the perimeter, and we have gray stained cabinet doors on the island. The countertops on the island are this really cool black and white swirl to give some drama to the middle of the kitchen. The perimeter countertops are a honed black granite. The backsplash, I think, is an unexpected treat. It is a pretty simple black subway tile that has dimension to it, but once it's installed, it looks sort of like a Chanel purse. To accent the black and white theme here, we have this brushed brass cabinet pull and also their industrial oversized light fixture over the island. All in all, I think we really improved the function of the kitchen and it looks fantastic. So I'm here in the kitchen and butler pantry area, and this is one of my favorite changes we made to the house because we really improved the storage and functionality for the space. So imagine, if you will, this used to just simply be a post, and there was open space behind it. This open space seemed like the perfect spot to stick a butler pantry. What we also did on this side of the post was dropped this wall. In doing so, we created a closet behind this wall, which is now the walk-in pantry. It really improved their storage, and we didn't really rob them of any usable space in the dining room. So it was a win-win. They have a huge walk-in pantry, a butler area, and a pretty decorative wall to anchor their dining space. You guys have to check out this fireplace glow-up. The old facade had a lot of dimension to it and was clad in shiny black granite. And it also only came up about halfway. By getting rid of all that dimension and making a sleek, smooth look and taking tile all the way to the ceiling, we took advantage of the beautiful architecture in here and the ceiling height and made it a much sleeker, more modern fireplace. Let's talk about this master bath remodel. When we first saw this bathroom, the bathtub, which was a huge swimming pool-sized bathtub with jets, was located right behind me where the current shower is. It was gigantic and nobody used it. The sinks were essentially where they are currently located. The shower was really quite small, and it's where the current water closet is. Lastly, the toilet was located just off here to my right. We have now used that space to give to the closet. We love this master bath. Thank you so much for joining me on this 2022 Remodel Project of the Quarter. As always, we really enjoyed working with these homeowners to unlock this home's potential and breathe in new life. Thanks again. See you next time.